Hi everyone, I'm George and welcome back to the Anime Grove, and today it's time for Devilman Crybaby, not Devilman Crybaby, for Chainsaw Man episodes 7 and 8 reaction, I think. Last week there was no episode because I was hooked as fuck to Pokemon Scarlet and I couldn't stop. I'm really sorry, it won't happen again. I'm grounded. I can't use my Switch right now until I record, so no worries here. In any case, we're going to do the double episode today and fix it. Last episodes, basically the newbies that weren't our main characters went basically crazy. They lost their shit, and I can't blame them because the Eternity Devil has that going for him. But still, what a dick move, and the fact that the girl wanted to kill Denji fucked up as hell. Like, she gave so little fucks about everyone's lives. Like, she wanted to get out and that was it. She didn't care if Denji died or if the other guy, Arai or something like that, also died while protecting her power when she decided to attack power. I don't know. Even Ghost Hand Lady lost all hope, so I don't even know what we're going to do. I hope Denji can actually kill it from, well, not kill it, what he said, make him want to kill itself from the pain. So let's jump into it and see what happens. This isn't a market substitute, so grab your legal copy and watch it along with me. This is Crunchyroll, and if you enjoy my content, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to join the Keepers of the Grove and help me continue growing the channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get into it. Oh, I also forgot to mention that Aki got stabbed for Denji, but so many things happened last episode. I like Denji, he's so simple. Do they have beef? The Eternity Devil and the Pochita. Oh! They completely broke his arm. That's not the plan, son. The plan is to make you want to kill yourself. Is he going to eat it to regen blood? What the hell? He can regen blood but by eating him? That's a good sentence. You can't be unhinged without losing your screws a bit every day. She's so scared of having Aki killed. Does she have feelings for him, or is it straight professional? I mean, I know she cares for him a lot. I mean, if she has romantic feelings. Ah, did you see his neck? I love the that Nobel Prize. He's become power. I love the way he swears in every sentence. How long has it been? Power's all chill. 3 days. I hope someone's taking care of Miaoi. What's a lucky guy? Can I get stabbed too? please kill me.
もう終わるのか。プール入ってるみてえで気持ちよかったのにな。
Man, that was devilish, as they said.
出れた。
And what was his beef with Chainsaw? Will we never know
な
it?
んか全員集まったことないしさ。
And this Chainsaw Pochita, I guess?
今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ。
問題。
Fujimoto. Who's that? Next to the running to the door.
うまい。
Arai's face.
半年ぶりです。
道に迷っちゃって。
Oh, it's Komeni?
こっちおいで。
I really
連
didn't
れてくるって。
see that coming.
おお。シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ。もっと酔ったらしてあげる。
She's playing you, man. She's playing you.
かましてやるからさ。デンジ君をみんな。
私は荒井宏和です。22歳。契約している悪魔はキツネ。趣味は俳句です。
Does he also have a contract with... Yeah.
キツネの悪魔は人
早か
間
った
に友好的だから。たくさんのデ
阿弥陀仏。法蓮方言下教。
先輩も酔ってるな。
That's Buddhist chant, right?
そんな方に死ぬんですか。
民間で無理だった悪魔が公安に任されるからな。
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？マキマさん。
Now he's going to get so confused.
生一つお願いします。
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。
デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
So she quite heard it.
キスしないの？
しまーす。
No. Yes.
すいません。生もう一つ。
Is she going to get heavy drinking?
姫野さんとキスするとか、マキマさんに見られたくない。
Why does it sound like she's jealous, although I don't think so?
でも同じくらい強い気持ちで、やっぱりベロキスしたい。今は一旦話をそらすしかね。
She's quite drinking today. And she even ordered a second beer before finishing this one.
すいません。生2つ。
私もそれやる。
She's going to drink too much and not fulfill on her promise.
唐揚げ。134でした。
わざわざ覚えてるあたり自慢に思ってそう。
That's pretty high.
1000。
Yeah, 1,000
Huh?
IQ. Oh, she straight up did it. Okay, she's watching though. What is this show?
気持ち人じゃない。ゲロだ。
What the fuck? Bro, that's disgusting.
だなこりゃ。
Bruh.
すいません。
あー
何か拭くものを。
まずいぞ。これはまずいぞ。デンジは口
Terrible.
になればもう飲み込む癖があるんじゃ。
Fuck. Trauma for the rest of his life. Trauma.
こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。
Happens
羨ましい。
to more people than you would think.
だから感謝をしましょうね。
人のお金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね。
That's true, but you don't say that out loud.
あれ、デンジ君。
よって連れて行きましたよ。
Is she going to make it up for him or some shit?
暗い。どこだここたんだ。ちくしゃ
Is she going to be naked by his side or some shit? Her back? Oh, I thought it was her back. Okay. What did she tell him?
しちゃう
Oh, okay. Oh, what? And you're going to leave it here? Are you fucking kidding me? The fuck? And why is it so city pop? Miki Matsubara time? What the hell? Next episode, go, 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 go. Is this when they arrive? This must be before, I guess.
私が連れて
Man, what are these shots? I'm trying to record over here. So she didn't slip him anything.
そういや君マキマさんのことラブでしょ
They're making her so human. They're going to kill her, man. And it's going to be so sad.
よしよし
My brother in Christ. What is this show?
そうね
I'm getting nervous.
んポッケになんか入っちょるよんチュッパチャップス来たね
Did she give him that so he would
酔い薬か
remember about her? Did
寝
she...
る前に水と一緒に
is it her...
マキマさん俺
That's an indirect kiss, my dude. That's something.
多分一生ゲロの味は忘れプスのコーラ味だね
So he said no because of that. Man, you had it right there.
お前もエッチしたかったでも俺初めてはマキ
Do
マ
it
さ
for
んが
Pochita.
ああよかったよかった未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね逮捕
I forgot about that kind of detail.
くっつけてあげようか
マジ
Is it so she can keep Aki?
レンジ君私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないかマキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ
I knew
私
it.
とアキ君くっつけてよ
So she wants to be with Aki.
マキマさんも来ねえかな
Stop talking about her in front of her, dude.
昨日のお酒美味しかった
Does she consider them friends? What's that? What are they pulling? Weapons? What the fuck? There's no way.
こちら C 班こちら C 班開始
No way. Literally, I thought it was about to end. There's absolutely no way. I was like, I can hear sips and shit. What is this music? I feel so nervous though. What the fuck? Are they all going to... What is this? How many of them are they going to kill? And why? Is it the Gun Devil?
知らんとは愚か
It's
じゃない
Order 66? What the fuck?
祭りか。
デンジ君
I'm so unsettled right now.
ここのラーメンよく食えるな。味ひどデンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
What the
何の
fuck
つもりだ。
is this?
知り合いか。
The fuck? He got shot twice? What? So many people are dying, there's gotta be... Okay, that's it for you, my dog. And how much did he have to pay for that? Himeno too? Oof, I thought that was through him.
私の口にとんでもないまでもない。
What? What? It's coming out? It's Chainsaw? Yeah. No. No, 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 no. It's Machete?
姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
Machete? You know? It's like the Chainsaw Devil but with machetes. Machetes.
さあ
What? Wait, what? Now? Oh, was that
さあ
the Fox Devil pushing him? Like, those are Executioner blades, right? Oh, it's the sword! He's using the goddamn sword, right? The one he shouldn't use? He's like saying shoot, like he's shooting with it. What the fuck? Is the sword a 3-hit curse? The fuck? What was that? And how much lifespan did Aki lose?
早く
姫野先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔
The Cursed
そ
Devil.
の持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか
Okay, so
あんた
that
い
was
い
it.
動きだったね
どこから来た。そいつの仲間か。
Are all those people fiends? What the fuck? Is she the zombie fiend or some shit?
どうして負けた
The fuck? If it weren't Aki, I'd say he died, but did they all die? Oh fuck! Why is this guy so strong? And why are they killing them all? And are they really dying?
デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな
嫌だあの女
It doesn't want to. Is she going to sacrifice herself or some shit?
私の全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせて
Really? No, I really like Himeno. No. This music though. It's so cool and creepy. Why is
泣くことができる
the music so good? I love it.
デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎてあれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな
Shit! Did you see that? Head arm. What is that girl doing? Ah, piercing her forehead though. Oh, she's protecting him with her hands.
死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ。
Is she losing her legs?
泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ丸飲み。
Fucking snake. Was that? There's no Himeno Senpai anymore, right? She's gone. Fuck, my dude. And after she buried so many partners, now she doesn't even have a body to be buried. That's so sad. It sucks so much. I knew they were going to do something. They were making her too relatable and important. I really doubt Makima is dead, because it's impossible that all of them died. Some might be dead, but it's impossible Makima is dead. The main drive for the show. So, what the hell? And Denji seemed dead too, but he's the main character. Even if he died, he would still come back. Again, what the hell was this episode? I feel pressure in my chest. Like a compression? I don't know how to put it into words, but this left me shaking. Man, I have to know what happens next, and there's a week until the next episode. Man, thank you so much for visiting my channel and for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. So peace out.